ready to transform your living space. Dive into the world of prefab home with our latest video. From sleek modern design to cozy rustic charm, we have got the top prefab home ideas to inspire your next dream home. Certainly, here are some prefab home ideas to inspire your next living space. Modular modernity. Embrace sleek lines and contemporary design with modular elements. Nature integrated retreat. Use natural materials and large windows to connect with the surrounding environment. Shipping container innovation. Repurpose shipping containers for an eco-friendly and industrial-style home. Smart and sustainable. Integrate smart home technology and eco-friendly features for a sustainable lifestyle. Compact living. Optimize small spaces with efficient design and multifunctional furniture. Off-grid oasis. Create a self-sufficient prefab home with renewable energy sources. Floating prefab homes. Explore unique designs for homes that float on water, combining luxury and tranquility. Convertible spaces. Utilize movable walls and adaptable layouts for a customizable living experience. Prefab tree house. Elevate your living space with the prefab tree house for a whimsical touch. Vintage vibes. Blend modern convenience with retro aesthetics for a nostalgic feel. Remember to personalize these ideas based on your preferences and lifestyle. Whether you prioritize sustainability, modern design, or a cozy retreat, prefab home offer a versatile canvas for creating living spaces. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.